Alright guys, it's Curse Demonics with another video. Taking a break from gaming, I'm going to show you how to get any cursor on your computer or laptop that you want. First you're going to need a program called Real World Cursor Editor. I'll put a link in the description. It will not be in whatever this text is. I don't know why it's doing that right now, but it won't be like that for you. I'll fix that later. But anyway, basically it's going to look the same for you. Go here to this top one. Just click on this one here, and then here you go. You can design your own if you want to, but otherwise just hit this cursor here. You can select which way you want it. I just keep it this way. You can select whatever you want your outline color to be, your size and everything, which is really cool, and the colors that you want, which is really nice. Then you'll save it. When it is saved, wherever it did save, sometimes I save it to my desktop, whatever, but you want to move it to you go to your File Explorer here, and you're going to go down to your operating system. Let's see. Then we're going to go to Windows and go to Cursors. And you need to make sure that it's in this area. You can move it to here, move your file here, whatever you gotta do. Once your file's moved there, you'll be able to go to your settings. Now I'm on Windows 8.1, I believe, so you might have a different setup. You'll go to, not here, printers and mouse. Mouse, additional mouse options. Hold on, not bad. Okay, spam the heck out of that. Alright, let's see. Not this one. Here we go. This is where you can select what you want it to be. So basically, whatever one you're wanting to change here, you click on it, hit browse, and then it's going to bring you to your cursors folder automatically. And then you're going to select the one that you have just created, and it will update it here. You'll just apply it and hit OK, and there's your new one right there. I might even have something. I don't have it in this folder, I have it in a different one, but let's see. If I go here, move to my downloads. Nope. Okay. Let me see. It's in here somewhere. Let's see. I think it's called Chroma. No. Okay. Let's see. Alright, well I don't know where mine's located, so I can't change it physically, but that is how you change it. You just do that, apply, and hit OK, and you should be good to go. There's other things you can change too, but that is how you change the cursor on your computer. Please like and subscribe. I'll post more videos like this in the future of other ways you can customize your computer. Got a cool one coming up for your sound, your startup sound, which is pretty interesting, so stay tuned for that.